everyone, welcome to my channel Greeters. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. If you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing guys. So thank you for the support here. So in the description box below I have my Instagram page linked. If you want to follow me, then go ahead and give it a follow. And I'll be linking down all the decks that I'll be using in this video. So if you want the information about the decks, you can just click go to the description box. Okay, so yeah, so today's pick a card reading is like sweet surprise coming towards you, that kind of a video, very sweet video this is going to be. So yeah, what are the sweet surprises coming towards you? So I have kept these box okay, inside this I have some sweet little surprises for you guys, okay, that we will pull out. Okay, so yeah, we have 3 groups over here. So this is 1, I've just marked it. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, so yeah, you can go ahead and select from these also. We have number 6 for group number 1. Okay, group number 1, 6 number. For group number 2 we have 8 number, and for group number 3 we have 4 number. Okay, so 6, 8, 4. So we can go with box also, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so close your eyes, relax your mind, let all the worries go away, and intuitively pick a box or a or a number. So yes, so take your time, pause the video. Okay, I hope you get your message, your sweet little surprise message. I hope this message raises your vibration, give the positivity in your life. Okay, so that's all. So I'm gonna go with group number 1, and it's a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. And the description box I'll be putting the timestamps also, guys. So let's go with 1. Group 1, if you chose this number 6 and this box, then this is your reading. So we'll do it last. Okay, so this is the number. So let's shuffle online today, on camera today. Let's see. Okay, so what are the little surprises coming? What are the sweet surprises coming your way for group number 1? Whoever chose, we have 1 card over here. I'll be pulling out 1 more. Let's see what is a cute little surprise for you guys. Surprises coming your way. Okay, so yeah, let's shuffle this also for group number 1. Okay, let's see. Okay, wow, I'm loving it already. Okay, so we have 1 more. Wait a second. Okay, let's see. So the 4 cards. Okay, so I feel the misunderstandings all is going away in your life. With the 6 number is also about relationship harmony, right? So maybe 6 number is important to you guys. Okay, so that is also I'm getting. I'm so sorry. Okay, so yeah, so that is okay, fine. Let's see. So we have this, I'll go with this misunderstanding card. So I feel with this 6 number, truth is coming out, guys. Okay, so if you had some relationship problems, some misunderstanding, I feel that is gonna go. Okay, so if there was a misunderstanding, if a relationship, sometimes because of the lack of communication, we have a lot of misunderstanding, and because of that, relationship doesn't maybe it's, even if it's a friendship or something like that, misunderstandings causes so much trouble. I see that fading away for you guys. That is a surprise. So maybe if you had a friend, he or she misunderstood you, they will come back. I feel like that is happening. A relationship harmony is happening. It can be a friend, it can be a lover, it can be family members, whatever relationship had problems. I see that misunderstanding is going away, and I am getting a vibe that you're going to focus a lot on yourself, building your success, being passionate about yourself. Yeah, so whatever you're planning, if you're focused towards a goal, I see success for you guys. Your look solid foundation, success with effort and strong emotion, passionate love or hate. So yeah, I feel with this passionate love or hate, you had this, sometimes we have that that is going, I feel like that the hate is going, if you had some misunderstanding, the misunderstanding is clearing. It can be in a relationship, maybe it can be, misunderstanding you had about yourself. You thought that you were not passionate about the things, you were not focused, or you thought that you are a failure. That was misunderstanding. Now it's all fading away. You are going in a period where you will be very successful, and that is the surprise here. With the success card and with this tower card, you have been working on something. I get that you have been passionate about something, working on something, building something, maybe a relationship, whatever it is, a career goal, whatever it is. All the misunderstandings are fading away, and yes, you are gonna build that tower, and success is coming, and you're going to be very, very, very passionate. If you have a relationship, the relationship is going to be very passionate. If you have a goal, you will be very passionate towards that goal and keep moving forward with that. So I see a lot of success coming, and the misunderstanding that were there, I'm getting that is all resolving with the sixth number. It's all about, you I feel for many of you, you will be able to share responsibilities. You will have someone you can share things with, that is also I'm getting here. Let's see next card here. Okay, so yeah, that's beautiful. Success in love, success in career, whatever success is there. So that's a very good surprise. Maybe you have been building something, and it is gonna, oh wow, we have, I was talking about help, with the six numbers, there is some help coming, guys, for sure. There is a person or a friend, maybe you had misunderstanding with them, that is gonna fade away. They are gonna come back towards you. A relationship harmony is coming. Sharing responsibilities, I'm getting here. You're protected also, so some kind of responsibility, sharing of responsibilities, I see that. For you guys, someone is you were feeling isolated. Now someone is there coming to enjoy with you, right? So that kind of energy I'm seeing. Or maybe a partnership, maybe a business partnership. So yeah, that's cool. So what else? Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. So yes, I can see a romance also. With this leg up, someone is coming into your life. Okay, for some of you, it can be a friend healing, relationship healing. You can be healing a relationship with a friend, a lover, a past lover. It can be, some healing is definitely taking place in relationship, and if you need to be optimistic about your career, about your love life, because good things are coming. Okay, so be optimistic about your love life. If you have been single for long, okay, be optimistic, because I can see someone with this leg up. Someone is definitely coming into your life, so that is going to be very sweet surprise, I guess. Okay, we have one. Oh my god, the next card is marriage. Okay, for some of you, if you had some misunderstandings in your marriage, that is going to go. Your marriage foundation is going to be very, very strong. I'm getting that. And for some of you, if you will meet this person is going to be, I feel you will marry this person. That is going to be a very sweet surprise for you guys, because or maybe someone will propose you. If you are already in a partnership or something like that, I see that, if you have been dating someone right now, this will get serious. I'm getting that vibe also, guys. Wow. So yeah, wow, that is a very cute little surprise. So with the sixth number, definitely, it's all about relationship harmony. Yeah, Princess of Cups. Yeah, Princess of Cups, it's about having fun. Right now you need to have fun, learn. You're maybe you're getting, in this relationship, you're just getting to know each other. This relationship is going to be very passionate. I feel like that. You have been disappointed. You have been disappointed in the past, but no, not anymore. I'm getting that also. Yeah, so I can see that. Oh, look, you have been waiting for something, and that is coming to fruition. Look, changes are happening, guys, with this tower. Tower, sometimes tower, yeah, this misunderstanding, maybe something happened in your life, the foundation you had built, it it went down. Now you are building it again, guys. The misunderstanding is all gonna go away. If you are already married, you had some misunderstanding, you felt like the tower is fading away, you are building it back. I'm getting that. Your relationship, you have been waiting for this thing, with the seven of coins. Yeah, things are changing for you guys. You know, with this tower, we are doing a very positive reading, and yes, with this tower, I think positive changes are definitely coming to your life. So if you had problem in your marriage, that is, I see resolve. This person is like, yeah, coming back together. They are coming to their senses or something. I'm getting like that, you know, that energy I'm getting here, you know. So yeah, so again, you know, sometimes we hit rock bottoms, you know. Sometimes things happen. It happens to make us learn something. So if you're already married and something is like, you're not going so well in your marriage, I see that things are going to change, and you're going to, that misunderstanding with this wall, the misunderstandings are all going to fade away. The relationship harmony is going to come for you guys, and you have been waiting for something. Okay, so if it's in your career also, you have been waiting, you have been planting the seeds. I see you have been investing on something, your time, your effort, right? That is gonna grow, guys. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. It's now time to have fun. Okay, don't stress too much, because I see a person coming who will be, for some of you, if you're single, definitely someone is coming. Maybe this will lead to a like, you know, it will lead to marriage also. Like a lot of passion is coming. You will be very passionate. You will be like loving your life again. You're building something. It may be a relationship. With this tower, you have, you know, in the past it had fallen because it was, you know, it was needed for your own growth. Now you will be like, yeah, it happened for a reason. You will be like, wow, that happened because this has to happen, and now you're like very, very okay with it. And yes, you know, the seeds you have planted is definitely going to be successful. Things are going to be successful, guys. Your marriage is going to be successful. For some of you are going to marry, and there will be a lot of passion, I guess. So be optimistic about your love life, because there is, with the 6 number, definitely I see harmony for you guys. Okay, truth coming out, misunderstandings fading away, and you know, yeah, you had this tower moment, but this is going to be very positive for you guys in the future. You're going to build it again. Okay, with you know, you have invested your time and effort in it. It's not gonna, I feel whatever you did in your past, it's not gonna go waste. Okay, you will receive the benefits, you will receive the rewards. I'm getting that. Okay, so let's see what is the cute little surprise we have in this box for you guys. Okay, so we have a channeled message. Okay, so I'll roll it later, then have some this. So let's see some charms. Oh, we have, look, we have happiness. Yeah, what I told you guys, happiness is coming. Yeah, some wishes are going to get fulfilled. Yeah, okay, I'll just take it out. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, definitely wishes are gonna come true. Some wish fulfillment, partnerships, relationship healing. What I told you with the 6 number, definitely if you had problems in your marriage, that is going to resolve. Partnerships is coming. A business partnership, it can happen. Lot of you know, good fortune, guys. Financial abundance also is coming. I'm seeing that. Yeah, stepping into a new area, new zone. For some of you, it can be marriage, definitely. Okay, yeah, you have the you know, you have the lock. Okay, so yeah, I feel like that you have kept all your treasures inside. You know, you're locked, you're protected. I'm feeling like that energy. Yeah, you have been like in this handman position for so long. Maybe now you're changing your perception about things. Things are changing for you because you are changing the misunderstanding. I'm getting that thing. Some misunderstanding happened in the past. Because of that, you know, you were in this tower moment. Now, you know, that misunderstanding is gonna fade away, and because of this misunderstanding, you have grown a lot. Okay, you have changed your own perception, and because of that, you have focused on your career. And yes, something about that, you have been focusing on something, and that is coming into fruition. So if you have been investing your time, money, effort on something, it's gonna be very successful. If you have been putting the hard work, if you have been changing yourself, if you have been trying to you know, if you have been you know, if you have been putting that effort, you're gonna reap that rewards. I'm getting that. Happiness is coming, guys. Okay, so let's see what else you have. Here we have beauty products. Okay, so someone will be buying beauty products here. Maybe you're glowing. Okay, guys. Okay, pearl, you know, you're going to be for this pearl, I'm getting very loyal relationship is also coming for this person. You know, be optimistic, because someone loyal is definitely coming here. New pet. Okay, for someone is over here will buy a new pet or something. Okay, so yeah, so that is what is coming for you guys. Okay, so let's see the channeled message for you. Okay, so you're going to sing your own song, so get ready and get moving. So don't procrastinate now. Lot of goodness awaits you. Yes, lot of goodness, lots of peace and harmony in relationship. I sense that. Then I know you have been working on something. Maybe you have been working on something like a beauty. If you have been beauty industry, yeah, it's gonna grow, I guess. Or maybe you were, if you're building something from scratch, it's gonna grow. You have been waiting for that. You have been putting your time and effort. I'm seeing that growth. Okay, in relationship also, growth is happening, success is happening. Okay? And you are going to be like independent and singing your own song. Okay, being in a new area. The past is over. Now you're gonna enjoy your life. Okay, so that is what for group number 1. Hope you like the reading. Bye bye, take care. Group number 2, if you choose this 8 number and this box, number 2 box, this is your reading. I will be pulling it out later. We'll do this later. Okay, so we have something inside the box, so let's see. So let's see what surprises are coming your way. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'll just shuffle it again. Let's see what surprises are coming for my group number 2. What surprises are coming for my group number 2? Fine. What surprise? Okay, we got one card over here, one more with this. Okay, we got one more, so I'm gonna take one second. We have another patch here. Okay, so let's see once again for my group number 2. What are the surprises coming your way? Group number 2. Okay, we got. So yeah. Okay, group number 2. Let's see. Wait a second, guys. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have 4 cards over here. So the first card, 8 number and wealth. Yes, abundance, money, temptation will test you. Okay, apple. Then someone going out of your life or an end of a situation. So something is ending, guys. Here maybe a relationship and your heartache over what you no longer have. So this is ending, guys. This is ending. so you have been out of a relationship and this you have been hurt. You have been definitely hurt, and that is ending. So that is the good thing. Abundance is coming your way. Okay, with this apple you need to take care of your health. I'm getting that vibe here. You need to like eat healthy. You will be having that kind of money to buy food and something like that. So don't overindulge in things. I'm getting that also here. But definitely there is an end of a situation that was not good for yourself, for your heart, but that is ending here. That is the good news here, guys. You will be over it. You're actually letting go of this person or this relationship or this career. You're finally over it and you're moving forward with your life, and abundance is coming your way. That is what I'm getting. Okay, so don't overindulge. If you will be having the money to buy certain things, so don't overindulge on anything. Because temptation will test you. Maybe you will be like spending money. Maybe you need to be careful about that, because you are gonna get a lot of money with this wealth, definitely. Okay, so you're over this situation. So whatever the situation was, you're over it, and that's the good news. And you're focusing on yourself, I guess. You'll be happy. Okay, abundance is coming your way. Okay, yeah, so the next message is to be here and now, to be in the present moment, to enjoy the present moment, to don't think about your past here, guys, because yes, I'm getting the sense that you are letting go of your past, and that is a blessing. That is this blessing. You will be like over it. You will maybe right now you're not over it, over this person or this circumstances, but good things are coming your way. Because of that, you will be like over the situation, completely over it. You will be in the present moment, enjoying your life. That is what I'm getting. Things are changing. We have 32. 3 plus 2 is 5, right? So positive changes, abundance is coming for you guys. So yeah, you're not going to think about your past anymore. You will be like sitting in your present moment, enjoying your abundance. That kind of energy I'm feeling here, being in the present moment. Okay, you have been working towards it. Finally you're letting go of this person, and you will be like, wow, I just let go of this person. This situation doesn't hurt me anymore. You will be like, you'll be surprised about it, because it will not hurt you anymore. The situation is not going to hurt you anymore. Okay, that is your major blessing, I guess. Here, what else? for my group number 2? Sweet little surprise. Okay. Yeah, look, we have this healing family issues. So look, you had some problems with your family, with your love life. You are healing it. You are letting go of your past. This is not affecting you anymore. That is what I'm getting. Okay, even if it's your parents, even if anything, you're out of this situation. If you are like, maybe for some of you, you're moving out and building your own foundation. It can be that, or maybe healing with your parents, and you're forgiving. You never thought that you will forgive, but you're actually forgiving and moving ahead in your life, right? You're not, you were that kind of person who were like in the past, thinking about the past all the time and crying over it. Now you're like, you're just gonna let go it. This is your major blessing here. This is the surprise. You'll be like surprised, oh yeah, I'm like out of this situation, this thing doesn't affect me anymore. Because, and for if you had family issues, this is all healing. So a lot of healing is also coming here. So yeah, the only one thing is, don't be like, I feel you will have a lot of like money to buy food, taste food, but don't overindulge, I'm getting here. Okay, yeah. So what else? Okay, we got one. Oh, look at that. Again, money, unexpected income. Right. So a lot of money blessing is coming. With this 8 number, yeah, it makes sense right now. So yeah, a lot of unexpected money, maybe from different sources you're getting money. You will be like, oh, maybe you're getting a raise or something. Maybe from some family members you will be getting money or something like that. I'm getting that. That's why I'm telling, don't don't buy things. Invest. That is also I'm getting here. Invest. Okay, don't waste your money. Invest that money. Okay, because you're gonna get a lot of money. Okay, so that is what I'm getting. And of course, you're moving forward with your life. You're no longer in your past energy. You're letting go of your past completely, and that's a beautiful thing. Okay, so let's see what else for my group number 2. Wow, that's cute. Oh yeah, oh my god, I can't take that, guys. It's like a lot. I'm sorry. Please wait. Okay, wait a second. So a lot of money, huh? I think your major blessing is that only, getting money. Maybe if you have some problem with money, definitely you are gonna get money. Maybe a raise, promotion, bonus, right? And healing the past. That is what I'm getting. That is the surprise. And you'll be like, oh yes, I'm over this person. And you'll be like, wow, yes, I'm over this person finally. Wow, that's nice. Okay, let's. Oh my god, your energy. Okay. Look, we have Ace of Cups. So someone is going out, someone new is coming into your life. Okay, wow. Princess of Staves, lot of passion. Okay, then what we have? Hermit, contemplation. So yes, you are letting go of your past. You have been like, yeah, 2 of Staves energy here. So yeah, definitely you're very passionate. You're moving towards your goals. Your focus is like, you're very, maybe for some of you're doing something, self-employment I'm getting, and it's gonna work for you guys. Okay, it's gonna work for you guys. But definitely I see that you're going to be very passionate about it. Some maybe from different sources you will be getting money. If you're doing something online, you will be like getting different money from different avenues or something like that. You will be making a lot of money, I guess. That is what your major blessing is. So you're going to be like, financially you will not be stressing, I'm getting here. And with this contemplation, maybe you are an artist, creative, your drawings, your paintings, maybe you will be selling that, and it will be like more people will be buying it, and you will be like very surprised about it. That is also I'm getting here with this. And with this contemplation, you are letting go of your past. You are like healing, I'm getting. You are understanding why all this happened, and finally you're over it. You are finally over, this is 9 is a completion, right? A complete cycle. You're letting go of your past, understanding this all. This this thing doesn't hurt you anymore. You are over it. That is what I'm getting. You are just focused towards your career, moving. For some of you, definitely you're planning to travel. You will be traveling somewhere. I'm getting you're very passionate. Okay, with this Ace of Cups, new things, new opportunities are definitely coming your way. New love, money also. I'm getting a money vibe here. So that is you're going to be, you know, major blessing. If you're doing something online related, that is going to be very, very successful. You know, getting money through different sources. Okay, so that is what, you know, maybe you need to take care of your health also. I'm getting that also. You know, I think your emotional health will be okay, but you know, physically you will be eating a lot. I don't know why I'm getting that. You will be eating a lot because a lot of foods, you know, you will be eating a lot of foods. Okay, because you have the money to buy, and so don't do that. Okay, just be everything in moderation. I'm getting be yeah, so yeah, that is what I'm getting. So healing is definitely taking place for you guys, and that is a major blessing. You're healing your past traumas, whatever it is. You're just out of that situation. You're no longer in your past. You are in your present moment, and you are just planning for your future and moving forward. Okay, so travel plans, I'm seeing maybe you're planning about travel or something like that. That will happen in the future. So let's see what is your surprise in this box. Okay, so let's see. Okay, we have this channeled message here later. Then we have these three. Let's see what is else. Okay, your charms. Okay, stick to the plan, guys. The plans are working. Okay, your plans is definitely working. Yeah, you're letting go of anger. You're letting go of anger. You're letting go of the resentment you have towards someone. You're letting go of everything that is not serving you in any way or any form. That's what I'm getting here. You are moving forward with your life. You're not looking back anymore. You're over your past. That is the major blessing. You're just focusing on your career. You're making money. You're happy with yourself. You're happy in yourself. You're seeing the light. You know, that is what I'm getting. You're in the present moment. New opportunities are coming different way. You know, I can see very, you know, career wise, lot of opportunities. If you're an artist or if you do online selling or something, you know, lot of good things are happening for you guys there. Okay, yeah, you're loving yourself. You're caring about yourself. You don't you know, you're not taking toxic people into your environment anymore. You're over it. Okay, yeah, you will have a lot of energy, lot of work. Okay, lot of work is coming your way. That is what I'm getting. You're going to be very, very busy also. Look, with these two cards, I'm feeling like that you will be very busy. You will be having a lot of orders or something. I'm getting here. That is why you will be making a lot of money. That is what I'm getting here. So take care, health, you know, health wise, eating. I don't know why that is coming again and again. Don't eat too much. It's not good for your health. I don't know why. Okay, like the fairies are telling to have more fun. Maybe you will be working a lot, you know, alone, you know, self-employment. That is what I'm getting. Working from home. Look, dog. Maybe you will buy a new pet, or maybe, you know, some loyal people are around you. Okay, definitely good friendships are coming your way. And wow, let's see what else. So here, what is reunion with family or friends? Wow. Okay, so yes, there is some kind of healing happening here. You definitely are connecting with your family. You know, there is some healing happening. You will be connecting with them, or maybe you're over it. You know, if you had some problem, you're over it. And yeah, this is happening for some of you. Definitely you're coming together with your friends and family, having a good time. Maybe your friends, loved ones. Okay, that is what you're forgiving people. Okay, you're not, you know, you're not letting that anger anymore in you. Okay, you are just out of that. That is your major blessing. Okay, you're out of your past and you're healing. You're like forgiving everyone. Okay, so yeah. Okay, maybe you will buy a new phone. Okay, maybe you will buy a new phone, or maybe you get a phone call. Okay, that is also coming here. Or maybe, you know, your phone will be buzzing all the time because of you will be getting a lot of orders. Or okay, relocating or moving to a new home. Yeah, we will have the money to relocate or something like that. Yeah, we have this Two of Wands energy also. So travel is there. You will be buying a new home or moving to a new home, something like that. Okay, so this is all your major blessings here. So let's see what is your relationship harmony. Look at that, guys. Yes, relationship harmony with yourself, with your family, reunion with your family. That is your major blessing. You are letting go of the past. Don't Okay, don't say without thinking. So think and then make a decision. Love is coming, have faith. Okay, wow. So love is also coming because you're letting go of the things. You're open now, you're open to new opportunities because you're letting go of your past, and that is your major blessing, guys. And yeah, love is also there with this, yeah, with this Ace of Cups also we can see that new love is coming for some of you. Definitely new opportunities, new love. Just have faith. If you're single, definitely I see. Okay, so yeah, healing is definitely taking place. Relationship harmony is definitely taking place. You're going to be in your present moment. You're not thinking about your past, and you're over that situation, and you'll be so surprised. Oh, I'm over this. I don't care about that anymore. So wow, you're working towards your goals. You're traveling, you're moving ahead, you're relocating. Wow, good. Bye bye, take care, guys. Hello, group number 3. If you chose this 4 number, then this is your reading. Okay, and we have this cute little surprise here for you guys. We will take it out later. So let's shuffle the cards here. Okay, so yeah, so let's see what is your surprise. So what surprises are coming for group number 3? Okay, here again I have this one also. Let's see what surprises are coming for my group number 3 people. Okay, we got here. So let's see what else you got. What got? Oh, it's okay. Okay. So we have Jug, light-hearted, carefree time. Valley, deep personal strength and peace that assures success. Very courageous. Oh my God, you're highly thought of. Recognition. Ladder, climbing towards success. Wow. Dealings or relationship with a man with dark complexion or hair. Okay. So maybe someone new is coming who will have a dark hair, or maybe this relationship, if you're already in a relationship, I see that relationship is going towards success. So that is your surprise. You never thought that would go that way. Maybe you'll be totally surprised. Maybe this person will be like maybe like wants next stage with this 4 number, stability. They want stability, they want marriage or something like that, and you will be completely surprised. That can also happen. And if you have been working on something and it is not taking off, I think it is going to take off. You will be recognized for your work, and you will be like, you have with this Valley card, I see that you have been working on something a lot. You have been courageous, you have been patient about this, and finally things are going to take place, and that is going to be a very I think this the blessing is like it will be like surprise. A lot of opportunities will be coming, and a lot of people will be recognizing for your words. For some of you, I feel like that you're just gonna climb it a lot. One step. You will go 2 steps and you will come back 3 steps. Now like it's the time you will be like going up. Things are going to manifest for you guys. In career, I see a lot of recognition, a lot of high, for some of you it's like you're getting a bonus recognition, high position also. And you have been working towards this. If you have been working towards something, some position, definitely I see a very good position. Or if you have a boss figure that was not so good for you, I feel this person will be like recognizing your worth. I'm getting that also here. So you have gone through a lot of you have been very courageous in the past. You have been very courageous and focused. Yes, you have been planting a lot of seeds. I'm getting here. You have been you wanted a stability in your life, and that is what is coming. Definitely, I see a stable relationship coming your way, a stable career. If you wanted a stable career, money wise, if you wanted stability, that is also I'm getting here. Maybe friendship, good friendships are also coming your way. So that is for some of you. It can be like you will be like, people will be recognizing you for your work, or maybe if your idea was not recognized before, if you're working for something and it was not recognized before, I see people will be recognizing your idea, and they will be like, wow, this is cool, this is good. You have been working towards it. So now it's time to climb that ladder. Okay, so yeah, Jug, light-hearted and carefree time. So I feel you will be very relaxed. You will be very, very relaxed. You will be having a little bit fun time. You have been working hard. Finally you will have some free time also. I'm getting that energy. You'll be like, oh, thank God, now I can rest because things are moving forward. I'm getting that energy for you guys. Wow, that's beautiful. And you are talented. You will recognize that also. You're talented people. That's why you have some recognition. You are a team player. I'm getting here. Okay, so finally your worth will be recognized by other people. I'm getting that. And that is like, you will be like, oh, surprise, finally I'm getting my recognition. You're like, you never thought of that, and finally that's happening. Seriously, I'm getting this boss figure. For some of you, your boss will appreciate you for your efforts. I'm getting that. Okay, you will be very peaceful. You will be feeling very at peace. So let's see what else. Oh, group number 4, very stability is coming your way. Oh my god. So yeah, we got 2 cards here. All piles got only 1 card, you got an extra card here. Okay, you have went through a lot of chaos and conflict. Finally, that made you, I feel like some spiritual transformation also has happened, and you have gone through a lot of emotions, lot of chaos and conflicts. I told you, you were trying something so hard. You will step like 2 steps up, and then you will go 3 steps back. Now you had so much of emotions. I feel like that you have gone through a lot of chaos in your life, and finally these all challenges have made you so strong, and you are completely growing as a person. Okay, so your inner self is also growing. Okay, you are recognizing your own worth. Maybe you recognize that you have a talent, and you're gonna grow that talent. Maybe for some of you it can be that you're recognizing your own worth. Okay, for some of you it will come as a surprise. Oh, I have this talent. Oh, I never knew. That kind of energy also I'm getting. So something is growing in your life. You have gone through a lot of chaos, lot of things. Finally things are gonna blow for it's like your hard work is gonna pay off. That is what I'm getting here. You have been working, and you have gone through a lot of chaos and conflict in the past. I see that, but it's completely changing. We have this 33 number. Maybe you're seeing 333s, or your master number 33, something like that. 30, I'm just the 33 number is like kind of showing me I'm attracted to that number. So maybe that will be, maybe you're getting more creative. You're understanding your own creativity, being more confident in yourself, and because of that you have worked a lot inside, and now finally it will manifest. You have not seen that manifestation. Now it will be manifesting. I think you have been manifesting your stability for quite a while, but finally it's growing. The seeds you have been planted. You have been patient also, I guess. So it's like finally growing. Your labor is growing. That is what I'm getting. You're gonna reap your rewards. Okay, so that is maybe it will come as a surprise to you guys. Okay, so let's see next. What else for my group number 3? What is the surprise happening here for my group number 3? Okay. Oh, this we got for group number 1 also. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Okay, so if you are in a relationship, you need to be optimistic about it. Okay, that is also I'm getting here. Be optimistic, guys, because say positive affirmation. If you're manifesting some person into your life, be optimistic, say positive affirmation, visualize. That will help you. That is also I'm getting. So maybe if you are manifesting a friend, that can also happen here. Love life, it can be family members, everything, it can happen, right? So I'm getting that vibe also here. Okay, so be optimistic, have faith, guys, have faith. Just your prayers are being heard. I'm getting here, your prayers are heard. Oh look, we have gift and for courtship. So it's like some gift is coming your way. If you're dating someone, maybe they will gift you something. That is also good, I'm getting. Or maybe they will your relationship will be like, as I said, you will still, your relationship will move forward. I feel like that. Okay, so if you're single, definitely someone is coming. So be optimistic, manifest. You're going towards success. You're climbing the ladder. Okay, we got one here. Let's see. Okay, so mature woman. So for some of you, there is a person who is older than you, who will be helping you with something, maybe your creative idea or something, maybe giving you any good advice about your love life or something. I'm getting that here. Okay, so someone is going to help you. Okay, maybe it's your mother that can help you, maybe someone older. Okay, we got unexpected money. Okay, maybe this person might give you some money. For some of you, that can also happen. Okay, maybe you will get a money from someone who is, this person is already like very good in their business or something like that, you know, money wise, or maybe your mother will gift you some money, something like that. Maybe it will be quite a surprise for you guys. Okay, maybe a boss figure will give you some extra bonus or something like that, some unexpected money definitely coming your way. We got that for group number 2 also, that unexpected money. So let's see. So be optimistic, guys. You have gone through a lot, but yeah, definitely. Okay, yes, you have gone through. We have 6 of coin again, so definitely you're getting some money. Yeah, that will come as a surprise for you guys. Okay, or maybe you were, you know, your boss, as I said, your boss maybe maybe if you have a female boss. Wow, 10 of coins. Look at money is also good. So yeah, you have endured a lot with this chaos and conflict. Your inner strength is immense. Okay, you have endured a lot. You have been there have been a lot of challenges, and you know, divine is all seeing that. For this, you know, at this period of time, for some of you, you have been spiritually awakened and getting into spirituality also. I'm getting a message here for some of you. And you know, maybe with this maybe your spirit guides, your angels are also recognizing your worth. You know, they have seen you grow, and that is what you're completely transforming. You, for some of you, you might be seeing butterflies, number 333s. I don't know, yeah, that is also coming here for some of you. But definitely you have been courageous. You are going to be you have endured a lot, and you have you know, maybe you were in some codependent relationship. You are getting out of that also. I'm getting, maybe financial wise you had problems, that is also healing. Some extra money is coming definitely your way. Look, with the 6 of coins, you know, someone is giving you something, some gift is coming here, you know. And of course 10 of coins is also about good family life, you know, having money. If you have a business is growing, so some unexpected money definitely is coming. You will be like, oh, that will be like a surprise for you guys. Maybe this person gave you some money. So definitely look, with the 6 of coins, is about maybe a loan is, you know, you're getting a loan or something like that. With this 10 of coins, definitely, you know, money wise it is going to be good also for you. Also for second pile also, it was all about money. For you also, you're getting some money. And for this, you know, you're understanding your own worth. I'm getting, you're changing, you're also transforming at the same time. Okay, and you have been working hard on something, you have been constantly working on something, and that is gonna give you you know, that is gonna pay off. That is also I'm getting here for group number 3. You have been very courageously moving forward, and that is gonna pay off. Even if it's a relationship or whatever it is, you have endured a lot of chaos and conflict in your life, but that is ending, guys. That is also the good news, and that has transformed you, that has made you grown, that have made you more courageous, and you're moving. I feel this pile is like moving in the correct direction. You have, and with this valley card also, you know, you can see that deep personal strength and peace. And we have the strength here also. You have, you know, strength. With the strength card, you know, you have endured a lot, you have seen a lot in your life. You had relationship problems, you had relationship with you know, relationship with money was also not good for you guys. Like, but I'm getting the vibe that you are healing that also. You know, finally balance is coming, because 6 of coin is like you know, the things you have been working for, you're reaping the rewards also. You know, it's like a give and take relationship here. So what you're giving, you're reaping that. That is also I'm getting. So if you're working on something, you're reaping it. You know, maybe you in the past you have been working, you were not getting anything, but that period is over, guys. Okay, that is your sweet surprise. Finally you're going to reap that rewards, and you will be like, wow, finally my things are paying off. You know, even though it's like a sweet little surprise, you know that, you know in your heart that this will pay off, and definitely it's gonna pay off, guys. You have been working, and you will be like very peaceful, you'll be feeling stable, guys, with this 4 number. Wow, beautiful. So if you had a relation, you know, family problems also, I'm getting like they're also been okay now. You're getting reunion, maybe some reunion is also happening for you guys. Okay, so someone will gift you something, maybe that will also be a very sweet little surprise for you guys. I feel like that. Let's see what else. This is your channeled message, we'll take it later. Then we have this, and let's see your chance. Oh, we have this pentacle energy again, guys. So financial healing, maybe. Finally you are like, okay, that I can make money. You were like, money, you didn't have a good relationship with money. Finally you're making a good relationship with money also. Finally being independent, financially independent. I'm getting that. Okay, finally you're feeling that, yes, I did this. I had, finally I'm getting that. Okay, a lot of ancestors are with you. Okay, guys, they are helping you. Ancestors, yeah, a lot of ancestral love is there for you guys. Okay, maybe you connect with your ancestors also. Maybe they are giving you messages. I feel a divine connection, spiritual connection here. Look, we have this protection. Yeah, a lot of protection from your ancestors, angels. If you believe in them, definitely they are protecting you guys. Okay, so yeah, okay, we have, look at this cat. Your intuition is very strong, guys. We have two little cats here. Your intuition is very strong, and you're understanding that you need to trust your intuition more and more. You're getting more independent. I'm getting here financial independence. I'm getting here for some of you, and you're not afraid to go alone anymore. You were very codependent on someone. Now you're like, yeah, I can do things by myself. Look, again we have lot of protection, guys. Lot of protection, lot of cats. Again we have cat. Look at that. I can't make this stuff. Really, lot of, maybe you're buying a new cat or something, but definitely, you're going to be very independent. You will do things by yourself. In the past you were not able to do that. Finally you are like, yes, I can do it myself. I have the strength. I have endured a lot in my life. Now I'm like courageous. I can move forward. I don't want anyone else. I have this divine connection. I have this divine power. I can take decisions by myself. I don't want anyone's advice. I just need to connect with myself and ask myself, and I'll get the answers. That kind of energy. Yeah, you're loving yourself. Definitely a lot of love here. Yeah, letting go of the past. Again we have this regeneration with this lizard. We have this regeneration card also here. So yeah, you're growing as a completely different person. Your past doesn't affect you anymore. You're growing. You have learned your lessons. Now you're moving forward with your life. You're cutting out the past. Again. Okay, yes, you're getting more intelligent. Very intelligent people, I feel like that. Or maybe this is also about ancestors. Ancestor love is all around you. And look, star, wish fulfillment. Some wishes are gonna get fulfilled. Healing is happening. Yeah, we have the star. Beautiful, right? Yeah, maybe some wishes definitely gonna get fulfilled for you guys. Okay, so maybe we are working on some creative ideas. I feel like that is going to flourish. You have been working hard on something that is going to come. Or maybe you will get money, but maybe you're not so good with finances. I'm getting that as also. So take someone's help. If they are good in finances, if you want to invest in something, just take someone's help. That will help you. Yeah, stick to the plan. You're going good. You're on right track, guys. Don't worry. And we have this flower also, so someone will gift you flower or something, and that will be a very sweet gesture. Or maybe you're going to be very happy. Very lot of peace and lot of happy times. Okay, so let's see what else. Winning something, and we definitely got a star here, isn't it? So yeah, some wish is getting something. Someone is winning someone's heart or something, or maybe you will win some money. I don't know, but definitely winning something, or getting success. Getting success, that can also be connecting with divine. Look at that. I told about that. I feel like that. With this cat and all, you are so psychic kind of energy. If you believe in esoteric things and all, yes, you are making a connection. You have a connection. I told you about. You're so protected with this. That way. Yeah, you have a connection with the divine. If you're doubting it, don't doubt. You have a connection. Your ancestors are around you. They are protecting you. Don't have to worry about anything. Shoes. Okay, for some of you will be buying new shoes, or maybe you're getting into a new zone. Spiritually you're growing. You're completely new shoes. You are a new person. That is what I'm getting here. Okay, completely independent. Maybe you're getting independent. Wearing your own shoes. Getting onto your own feet. Independence. That is like, okay, so what is your channeled message? Financial healing is happening. Okay, look at that. I was yeah, finally you're getting that unexpected money. You're like, you were not good with money before. Finally you're getting good at it. finally getting good at it. So that is happening, guys. So don't worry about money. You're a gifted child. Yes, you have this divine connection here. Finding the treasure without you. Sorry, without you. I'm so sorry about that. Finding the treasure inside you. Very creative you are. So yes, for some of you, you are connecting with the divine and understanding your talents, understanding your own worth, guys. You are understanding that you are meant to do something. You know, maybe for some of you, you're definitely connecting with your soul purpose, and that will be a very, very huge surprise. Or already you have done that, you're gonna move forward with it. Okay, wow. So this all is like coming good. So yes, you will be very peaceful, very stable energy with this 4. But I have to say one thing with this 4. Maybe it's your limited, you know, you have in you know, because of your limiting beliefs, you might not achieve the potential you can. So let go of that limiting beliefs. Okay, if something is limiting you, let go of that. And you know, maybe in childhood we were told that this is the way you have to do things, that you cannot do that way. So because of that, I see that you might be stopping yourself. Don't do that, you know, don't do that, because you're so creative people. Just let it out, you know. So yeah, I'm seeing, you know, you're growing, you're finally growing, you're healing, financial healing, you know. You know, maybe you didn't have a good relationship with money. Finally you are having that also. I'm getting you have endured a lot, definitely. So yeah, that is all coming to an end. Wow, stability is happening. Very good, very beautiful. Bye bye, take care, guys.